welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review jewel Grabox for the month of February, and this month they have two jewel box. One is for earrings, the second one is for neck pieces, necklace you can say, and today I'm going to unbox the necklace edition. So let's just quickly see what all is there. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Or you can say price for the necklace edition for this month is 499 rupees. Let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. The first thing is this. This is the info card you can say, and it says February Jewel Grabox Necklace Edition. On the other side, I have the list of all the necklaces. So let's start with the first one. The first one is Rhinestone Choker Neck Piece, and the price for this one is 300 rupees. And this is how it looks. So this is the choker, and we have matching earrings as well. Let me quickly wear it and show you the look. The price for this one is 300 rupees. This is the look. You can just see it's looking so elegant, so pretty, and these are the matching earring. So this is the look. Of course, very pretty. 300 is the price. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is the beads neck piece. And this is the one. So you can just see it's so pretty, so stylish. It's like a choker only, but it has these beads here. So the price for this one is 300 again. And this is the look. Wow, it's looking so stylish. Very impressive. I loved it. And I already have something very similar to this one, which I guess I've used it many times, and I'm definitely going to use this one as well. Really pretty, very stylish. I'm super happy with this one. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is the denim / thread choker. So this is how it looks. So for this, just give me some seconds. Let me just wear this and show you the look. This is the look for the choker. This is the tie-up thing, so you can tie it up according to your style. I have just done it like this. 150 is the price, and of course chokers are quite in and they look really cool with denims and all that. So yes, really happy with this one. 150 is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is the chain style necklace, and this is the one. Of course, the name say it all. It's the simple chain style necklace. Let me just wear it and show you the look. The price for this one is 200 rupees. And just quickly wear this. So this is the design style, and this is the look. The price for this one is 200. And this is how it looks. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is the multi-leaves necklace. And this is how it looks. So you can just see multi-leaves here. Let me just quickly wear it and show you the look. So this is the look. And you can just see it's looking pretty. And this is the tie-up style. So you can just tie it up according to like whatever length you want. I have wore it like a choker kind of a thing. And yes, I think I'm going to wear it like this only. The price for this one is 450 rupees. And that's all what I've received in my Grabox, the necklace edition for February month. The price for this box, I've already told you, 499. And let me tell you, the total worth of all the jewelry pieces is 1700. You are getting six, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 necklaces in a box, which is amazing. So if you are a necklace lover or a fan, I think this is the box for you. And let me tell you, you can customize 2 of the product. And yes, I will be mentioning the buying link and everything in the description box. And as usual, I will be attaching a lookbook in the end. So stay connected for that. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.